Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High-Growth Businesses. Lecture 3. In today's lecture, we will learn about developing a compelling value proposition. What is a value proposition? Defining your unique value proposition, crafting a strong elevator pitch, understanding customer pain points and needs, differentiating from competitors in the market, creating a value proposition canvas. What is a value proposition? A value proposition is essentially a promise that a business makes to its customers. It's a statement that outlines what sets the business apart from its competitors and why customers should choose to do business with them. In essence, it's the reason why customers should care about your business. Having a strong value proposition is crucial for any business. It helps to differentiate the business from its competitors and gives customers a reason to choose you over them. It also helps to clarify the business's messaging and marketing efforts, making it easier to communicate with potential CU. Defining your unique value proposition. Defining your unique value proposition is essential for standing out in a crowded market. It's not enough to simply offer a good product or service. You need to clearly communicate what sets you apart from the competition. To define your unique value proposition, start by identifying your target audience and their needs. Then, analyze your competitors to see what they're offering and how you can differentiate yourself. Finally, craft a clear and concise statement that communicates the benefits of your product, service, and why it's the best choice for your target audience. After considering this process, the following conclusions can be drawn. Differentiation and competitive advantage. A well-defined UVP helps distinguish a product or business from its competitors. It highlights the unique aspects, benefits, or solutions that set it apart in the market. By clearly articulating what makes the offering unique, businesses can create a competitive advantage and attract customers who resonate with those distinctive qualities. Customer-centric approach. Defining a UVP requires a deep understanding of the target customers and their needs. By conducting market research and customer analysis, businesses can identify the pain points, desires, and preferences of their target audience. A customer-centric UVP addresses these specific needs and communicates the value that the product or service provides in solving their problems or fulfilling their aspirations. Clear and concise messaging. A strong UVP is communicated in a clear, concise, and compelling manner. It should be easy for customers to understand and resonate with the value proposition. Avoiding complex jargon or technical language helps ensure that the message is accessible. Crafting a strong elevator pitch. Crafting a strong elevator pitch is crucial for any business looking to make an impact in their industry. An elevator pitch is a brief, persuasive speech that you can use to spark interest in what your organization does. It should be concise, memorable, and tailored to the listener's needs. To craft a strong elevator pitch, start by identifying your unique value proposition. What sets your business apart from others in your industry? Next, focus on your target audience and their pain points. How can your product or service solve their problems? Finally, practice your pitch until it flows naturally and confidently. After considering this process, the following conclusions can be drawn. Conciseness and clarity. A strong elevator pitch is brief and to the point. It captures the essence of the message or value proposition in a clear and concise manner. By eliminating unnecessary details and focusing on the most unique value proposition, crafting a strong elevator pitch requires a clear understanding of the unique value or benefits that the individual or business offers. It should emphasize what sets them apart from competitors and why they are worth paying attention to. By highlighting the distinctive aspects, differentiating from competitors in the market. One of the key challenges businesses face is standing out in a crowded market. To differentiate from competitors, it's important to identify what sets your business apart. This could be anything from unique features or benefits to exceptional customer service. Another effective strategy is to focus on a specific niche or target audience. By catering to a specific group, you can become the go-to solution for their needs and build a loyal customer base. It's also important to stay up to date with industry trends and innovations, and adapt your offerings account. After considering this process, the following conclusions can be drawn. Unique value proposition. Developing a unique value proposition is crucial for differentiation. It involves identifying and communicating the unique benefits, features, or solutions that a business offers to its target audience. Them apart, businesses can create a compelling reason for customers to choose their products or services over those of competitors. Market research and customer insights. Understanding the market landscape and target customers is vital for effective differentiation. Creating a value proposition canvas. The value proposition canvas is a visual tool that helps businesses create and refine their value proposition. It consists of two main sections: the customer profile and the value map. In the customer profile section, you'll identify your target customers' needs, pains, and gains. This will help you understand what motivates them to buy your product or service. In the value map section, you'll outline how your product or service meets those needs, alleviates those pains, creates those gains. By filling out both sections of the canvas, you'll be able to clearly articulate your unique value proposition. After considering this process, the following conclusions can be drawn. Customer-centric approach. The value proposition canvas puts the customer at the center of the analysis. It helps businesses understand their customers' needs, desires, and pain points by identifying customer jobs, gains, and pains. This customer-centric approach ensures that the value proposition is designed to address and fulfill customer requirements effectively. Value creation and differentiation. The value proposition canvas helps businesses identify how they create value for their customers by mapping out the pro. Conclusion: the process of developing a compelling value proposition is crucial for any business or product. It involves identifying and articulating the unique value and benefits that a product or service offers to its target customers. After going through this process, the following conclusions can be drawn. Understanding customer needs. Developing a compelling value proposition requires a deep understanding of the target customer's needs, pain points, and desires. By conducting thorough market research and customer analysis, businesses can gain insights into what their customers are looking for and tailor their value proposition accordingly. Unique selling proposition. A compelling value proposition should highlight the unique aspects of a product or service that differentiate it from competitors. It should answer the question, why should customers choose this product over others? Identifying and emphasizing these unique selling points is crucial in attracting and retaining customers. Clear and concise messaging. The value proposition should be communicated in a clear and concise manner. Customers should be able to understand the benefits and value they will receive from the product or service immediately. Avoiding jargon and technical language helps ensure that the message is easily understandable and relatable to the target audience. Benefits-focused approach. A compelling value proposition should focus on the benefits and outcomes that customers will experience by using the product or service, rather than simply listing its features. Customers are more interested in how a product solves their problems or improves their lives. Relevance and alignment. The value proposition should align with the target customer's needs and preferences. It should be relevant to their specific challenges or goals, demonstrating how the product or service directly addresses those issues. This alignment helps build trust and credibility with C.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.